In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart OneDrive Sync. If your files aren't updating or you're seeing a paused status, this quick walkthrough will get things moving again in just a moment. First, locate the OneDrive cloud icon on your computer. On Windows, you'll find it in the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. On a Mac, it lives in the menu bar at the top right. The icon looks like a small cloud and it may appear in different colors depending on your theme. If you don't see it right away, that's okay. On Windows, click the little arrow to expand your notification area, which reveals hidden icons. Then click the cloud icon to open OneDrive. When the OneDrive window opens, look toward the top. You should see a yellow or gray banner that says syncing is paused. This message simply means OneDrive has temporarily stopped syncing your files. That can happen if sync was manually paused earlier or if the app entered a pause state due to system conditions. The good news is that resuming is straightforward. To restart sync, look for the pause or resume control in the OneDrive window. If you see a resume button, go ahead and click it. That immediately tells OneDrive to pick up where it left off. If you see a pause icon that toggles, clicking it also resumes syncing. Another way to resume is to click the settings gear in the top right of the OneDrive window. From that menu, choose resume syncing. Any of these options will restart the process. After you click resume, give it a moment, the syncing is paused banner should disappear and you'll notice activity indicators as OneDrive begins to update your files. You might see spinning arrows showing active syncing followed by check marks when items are up to date. If you're working with a lot of files or on a slower connection, it may take a bit longer, so just let it run. A couple of quick pointers as it resumes. Keeping the OneDrive window open for a moment can help you confirm progress, and hovering over the cloud icon will show current status. If the banner returns to paused, it usually means the app is waiting for you to resume again using the same resume option. And that's it. You opened OneDrive from the taskbar or menu bar, confirmed the syncing is paused banner, and used the resume control or the settings gear with resume syncing to restart. Your files should now be updating normally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get OneDrive back in sync.